Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a card to digital wallet of Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, first of all, go ahead, open up your Bank of America app, and now go ahead, enter your user ID, your password, and tap on login. Once you have done that, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, including your account's information here in the home section. You gotta do is tap on this option of menu icon on the top left corner, and right afterwards, among the option, go ahead, tap on this option of manage debit / credit card. Now here in this section, you will find your card on top, including this option of digital wallets as highlighted. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you will see two options. You can see add to Apple Pay and PayPal, whichever one you want to choose. For now, we will say this. Let's go ahead with Apple Pay. Tap on add beside it. Now you simply gotta verify yourself. Enter your last 4 digits of your card as shown, card expiration date, your security code, and tap on this option of verify in the bottom. Then you will get this kind of interface. You can see set as a default card in wallet. Tap on this set as default card, and now you can see ADB relationship banking on top, and you can see Apple Pay added. Now go ahead, tap on this got it, and then you can also choose to tap on this manage beside Apple Pay, and you can manage right over there as well. You can make this card your primary one. Otherwise, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.